All right, so today I'm gonna be installing this MBRP 4-inch exhaust on the 2022 F150. So this is the race version, so there's no resonator. This is basically what you get in the kit. Pipe coming off the downpipe, tailpipe, 5-inch tip, and your muffler. Should be a pretty simple install. I'll show you what it sounds like when it's done. All right, so here's the finished product. Had some guys helping me, so I couldn't show you the initial startup, but there's the exhaust tip, the downpipe. That just looks so mean. 4-inch cat back. There's the muffler right there. No resonator, straight to the Y pipe. Man, this thing sounds good. Let me fire this thing up. All right, here's what it sounds like in the cab. There's a cylinder deactivation right there. Like helicopter noise. sport mode here real quick. Let's get hammer down. And so unfortunately, this is the end of the road. About 24 hours later, I'm swapping this back to the stock exhaust. It sounds so good, but it is so loud in the cab and like on cold starts. And I live in an apartment complex right now, which sucks. And I leave for work, you know, sometimes I leave at 5 a.m. and stuff, and I really just don't want to risk pissing people off right now, which I know is kind of the point of an exhaust like this, but it's just not the right setup for me right now. So it's for sale in Birmingham, Alabama, 350, and it's yours. So anyway, thanks for watching. I hope this helps you make a decision on purchasing this exhaust, and yeah, I'll see you on the next one.